Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Beautylish haul. This is going to be a pretty quick haul because everything on there, all that ish is expensive. So I'll be surprised if this haul is longer than 5 minutes. So if you would like to see some of the things that I purchased from beautylish.com, please keep watching. So I already took everything out of the packaging because I just wanted to make sure nothing was broken, but this is what it normally comes like. And then I have everything inside. They individually wrap everything and then tie like a piece of string around it. The presentation of the packaging is like awesome, of just like the whole entire box. Like, I really appreciate that. So this first thing I'm going to be talking about is from Malone. And when I went to New York back in November, I went to the Sephora in Times Square, and oh my god, I thought when I went to the Sephora in Vegas that was like the biggest Sephora ever, but no. When I went to the one in Times Square, it's crazy. Like, they have all the online only things. They have brands in there I didn't even know Sephora carried. It's huge. But anyways, they have a Malone counter in there as well. And when you buy something from them, they like wrap it for you and put it in a cute little bag and send you on your way. But I didn't want to buy this stuff and then try to put it on the airplane and then bring it all the way back to California. So I finally bought it. This is the Malone Red Roses Cologne. Well, it's a perfume, but it says cologne. It smells so good. If you love red roses, you need to smell this. I only got the 1 full ounce. One, it's cheaper, and two, whenever I buy perfume, I always get like just the 1 ounce because I have quite a few perfumes and I can barely even get through 1 full ounce in 2 years. And I feel like my perfumes start to go bad about 2 years and I can't even get through 1 full ounce. So I wasn't going to spend like even more money and get the 3 ounce or whatever the next size up was because I know I'm not going to be able to use it in time before it goes bad. So I got this one and it smells so dang good. I'm obsessed. And then I wanted to get the matching body cream. So this is what it looks like. It was packaged better, but I took it out to make sure it wasn't broken. And this is what it looks like. This smells so good too. And this thing is heavy. I cannot wait to lather this all over my body. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is from Becca. This is the Khloe and Malika collaboration. This is the, what's this called? Becca BFFs, I think. I'm not really sure. So this is what it looks like. It's a highlighter, blush, and bronzer palette. So this is the Khloe version, and I'm pretty sure Malika has a darker version of this too, which I was actually considering getting if I liked this one. So when you open it up, you do get a mirror, and then on the inside you get a highlighter, 2 blushes, and then a bronzer. I've never tried any baked products from Becca before. I don't even know if they have any baked products. This is giving me like Hourglass vibes though, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing I got is a Jaclyn Hill made me buy it. This is from Oribe, and it's the Power Drops Damage Repair Booster. This is what it came in. I've never tried anything from Oribe, and it just says supercharge your hair care. This highly concentrated treatment serum provides an intense dose of essential nutrients to rebuild and restore dry, damaged, time-weakened hair, which I definitely need because I've been bleaching my hair since I was like 20. And yeah, I need help. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks super expensive. Well, it was pricey. So anyways, it said if you're gonna use it, mix 3 to 5 drops with any Oribe product in the palm of your hand to give your regular routine a boost, which I don't have anything from Oribe. So, and then it says to use alone, apply to damp hair. So she said that she really saw a difference like in her hair, like on her ends. So I'm hoping that I will too because, yeah. I'm a mess. And then I guess I got this little pouch for free because I know I didn't order it. And in here is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo from R&Co. I've never tried this. I actually just tried the R&Co dry shampoo paste. Oh my god. It is the weirdest, coolest thing ever. Like, it looks like a paste, and then you go like this and it kind of turns into an oil, and then you work it between your hair and it gives it that texture. It gets rid of like any oil. It's weird and it's awesome. I love it. So I'm excited to try this dry shampoo. And then I got this. I did not realize that it was going to be this tiny. This is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Glow Blush and Highlighting Powder. Okay, so here's the Flower Foundation, right? It's literally the size of like an eyeshadow duo. I know it said mini, but I didn't realize that it was like this. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to fit a highlighting or blush brush in this. Seriously, it's like the size of an eyeshadow, but I kept watching it on Instagram and it looked really pretty, so I wanted to pick it up. And then the last thing from this Beautylish haul is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Collagen Lip Bath, Collagen Enhanced Lip Plumping Care. I was just gonna use it as like a lip gloss, so let's see, is there any information on it? Nope. I just saw that Charlotte Tilbury came out with 3 new lipstick shades and they're all like 90s model inspired colors or whatever. I need them, but all 3 of them just for lipsticks is like $100. Like, oh my god. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. I haven't really heard anybody talk about it. Ooh. It smells like mint and the applicator is like a heart. Okay, so it's completely clear. I thought for sure there might be some gold glitter in it because that's what it looked like online, but it is just clear. Okay guys, so that's everything from my Beautylish haul. This is probably the shortest haul I've ever filmed in my entire life, but that's what happens when all this ish is that expensive. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products in the comments below. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this haul, and please subscribe on your way out if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.